Hello everyone and happy Zero Discrimination Day. First up, let me tell you how glad we are at Rainmaker that such a day exists. It's the need of the hour. But as we celebrate, let's also take a moment to reflect on the importance of creating inclusive workplaces. I want to address a pressing issue that affects many Indian organizations. Non-conscious discrimination. Discrimination can take many forms, from gender and caste bias to religious and socio-economic prejudice. But often, it's the non-conscious biases that go unnoticed and unchecked, perpetuating inequality in our workplaces. So, how can we address non-conscious discrimination and foster a more inclusive environment? Here are 5 fairly simple ways to do this at the workplace. First, acknowledge the problem. We can't solve an issue we are not aware of. So let's start by recognizing the presence of non-conscious biases at our workplace. Second, implement robust policies. From recruitment to promotion, let's ensure that our policies prioritize fairness and equality for all employees. Third, invest in DEIB or Diversity, Equity, Inclusion and Belonging initiatives. By providing training and education on diversity and inclusion, we can raise awareness and create a more supportive work culture. Fourth, promote open dialogue. Encourage honest conversations about diversity and discrimination. This can help dismantle stereotypes and build empathy among colleagues. And finally, leverage tools like Rainmaker's culture offerings, sensitize teams, and track and measure progress towards building a more inclusive workplace. Together, let's commit to non-conscious discrimination being addressed at the workplace and creating workplaces where everyone feels valued and respected. Once again, happy Zero Discrimination Day.